see a lot of people giving updates on how to start a faceless channel, and most people are actually leading people wrong. And one of the things I'm going to talk about today is things you have to be very careful with. I saw a video of a guy saying you should use multiple accounts to watch your videos and stuff like that. And I felt like a lot of people are just misleading a lot of people, like misleading people, asking them to do things that will affect their channel. Number one thing you should know about you using your account, watching your video when you're about to monetize or you're already monetized, is just that YouTube will try to calculate the spam views on your video. Spam views are views that maybe you watch your video twice, or you ask someone to keep repeating your video, or you ask someone on the same IP to watch your video, or people are just watching and they are not watching like how normal people watch. And this is one thing everybody should know. YouTube doesn't use human to judge your video. They use AI, and AI has been programmed to get a lot of factors when it comes to your YouTube: the number of views that come within 1 hour, the source of your video, um, the set of people that watch your video. Is it your subscribers or people outside your subscribers? So these are factors that actually affect the way YouTube will push your video. A lot of people are destroying their channel, which they have no idea. Example is, I talked about you sending out your videos to your friends and family, how the whole thing can affect your channel. Now, most of your family members that you think they are helping your channel, they are not subscribed to your channel. Because if they do subscribe to your channel, they're going to get a notification. But this set of people are not subscribed to your channel. You have to send them the link. Now, because they are trying to impress you, they are trying to make you feel like you're supporting them. They just watch let's say your video is 1 hour. They just watch your video for 1 minute. It's not up to 1 minute. They like the comment just to grab your attention that Mr. Lagbaja is actually watching my video, and they left. The moment they left watching that particular seconds in your video, they've already added the signal, what's it called, they wrote analytics on your video already and send it to YouTube. That out of those people that are watching your video, most of your subscribers don't watch your video in full because your video are not interesting, because your video is not good. So they should not spend their time pushing out your video. So these analytics are very, very important when it comes to YouTube. YouTube is not like TikTok that you share the watch 1 second. Like the length at which your people you share your videos to, people that subscribe to your channel watch your video, matters a lot. So this is one of the reasons why I don't share my faceless channels to people, because I know what they need is they're just going there to just extract information from my channel, and by doing that they will be affecting the channel. So right now, people I have on my channel are people that want to see what I'm posting. So the summary of today's video is, it's better to grow organically than forcing people to come to your channel, than forcing people to subscribe to your channel. So if you force them to subscribe to your channel, they will not, watch your video based on your content. They will watch your video based on, I just want him to know I'm watching his video. And 80% of them, they are destroying your algorithm. They are affecting your channel unknowingly. These are things you have to know before you start your YouTube. So like I said, get subscriber organically, build your channel organically, then you'll be able to get enough people to watch your videos organically. I hope this help. For more information about how some of this work, my members only video, I did a lot of video explaining a lot of things. Also, you can check it out. if you want to learn how faceless channel work well, take notes and keep this at the back of your mind. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.